On the 5th of Feb, we will see the Delhi elections being held in one phase. The result will be out on the 8th of February. Now, we are seeing it is a triangular contest, but it seems like the two parties that are putting a lot at stake, Aam Aadmi Party trying to make sure that it continues being in the government, they are looking at 10 years of anti-incumbency. And the BJP on the other side, looking at ending the 26-year drought that it has now been dealing with. It has not been able to form the government in the national capital. The last time they were in government was way back in 1998. The Congress at the moment is looking at reviving itself in the national capital, reminding people of the golden era under the Congress's 15-year rule. Now, after Rahul Gandhi kick-started the Congress campaign by holding a rally in the national capital, we are now seeing it is the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party that are taking on each other. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi tore into Aam Aadmi Party, which is an ally in the India bloc, and equated Arvind Kejriwal with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, accusing both of them of making false promises. Just minutes later, it was Arvind Kejriwal who hit back and said Rahul Gandhi has now started to abuse him and he was only fighting to save the Congress party and not fighting to save the country.
Rahul Gandhi enters battleground Delhi 3 weeks before capital goes to vote. The Congress leader held his first rally for Congress's Delhi campaign. And the battle for Delhi has split India bloc allies Congress and AAP. Rahul launched a scathing attack on AAP convener Arvind Kejriwal, saying he's no different from Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
जैसे प्रचार नरेंद्र मोदी जी करते हैं मीडिया का, झूठे वायदे, एक के बाद एक, एक के बाद एक, एक के बाद एक झूठे वायदे, वैसे ही स्ट्रेटजी केजरीवाल जी की है. कोई फर्क नहीं है.
Addressing a rally in Seelampur, the leader of opposition said he hasn't heard a word on caste census from Kejriwal.
जब मैं जाति जनगणना की बात करता हूं, नरेंद्र मोदी जी के मुंह से एक शब्द नहीं निकलता और केजरीवाल जी के मुंह से एक शब्द नहीं निकलता है. आप पूछिए कभी केजरीवाल जी से पूछिए कि वो जाति जनगणना के साथ हैं या नहीं. मोदी जी से पूछिए जाति जनगणना के साथ हो या नहीं.
Rahul also slammed his India bloc ally for not raising the Adani issue.
केजरीवाल जी ने अदानी जी के बारे में कुछ बोला है? कभी बोला है? एक शब्द नहीं बोलते हैं. एक शब्द नहीं बोलते हैं. और मैं साफ बोलता हूं कि हम अरबपतियों का देश नहीं चाहते हैं.
Lashing out at Kejriwal, Rahul accused him of running a clean Delhi propaganda.
केजरीवाल जी ने बहुत बड़ा प्रचार किया. दिल्ली को मैं साफ कर दूंगा, भ्रष्टाचार मिटा दूंगा, पेरिस बना दूंगा. अब देखिए हुआ क्या. आप देखिए बाहर चला नहीं जा सकता है, ऐसा पोल्यूशन है.
Rahul's onslaught on Kejriwal comes as the India bloc is facing turbulence since Congress party's poor performance in Haryana and Maharashtra polls. The TMC is seeking a change in leadership. Some allies are questioning Congress's lack of initiative and a few like the SP and Shiv Sena UBT are supporting AAP. Will India bloc remain united after Delhi election? Or will infighting erode public trust in the allies? Bureau Report, India Today.
My colleague Ashutosh Mishra is now joining me from the national capital. Ashutosh, finally we are seeing, Congress putting in some effort in the national elections. We are now seeing in the national capital, it was Rahul Gandhi who held the mega rally. And the first thing he did, Ashutosh, was to point fingers at Arvind Kejriwal.
Well, if I recall the previous two elections, 2015, 2020, Congress did put effort and a lot of effort because it was always a matter of existential crisis in a state where they have ruled for more than a decade, 1.5 decades under Sheila Dikshit regime. They have been, Congress have been a strong most party in the national capital. Yet again the election, they are fighting, and that's why the projection is very important to give out as a message, and that's why we have seen Rahul Gandhi hitting the street and taking out not only the Prime Minister Modi and the BJP, but also Arvind Kejriwal, because in Delhi it is believed that more than the BJP, it is actually the Aam Aadmi Party which is a larger threat for about Rahul Gandhi. So where he said on several issues that why he maintained always on silence. He even compared that strategy of Modi and Kejriwal remains the same. But more importantly, when he said that every time he spoke against Adani, Arvind Kejriwal maintained mum. But since morning, I am seeing only the Aam Aadmi Party workers, their volunteers, their supporters, their party workers, everyone putting out the the statements by Kejriwal against Adani way before Rahul Gandhi started. So he says that perhaps Rahul Gandhi is not aware that Sanjay Singh, one of the party MP, have been very vocal against Adani inside the parliament. Arvind Kejriwal at number of occasions from the Delhi Assembly have spoken against Adani and the BJP, even calling out a nexus. So clearly this is an election you take out on your rival. That's what you're seeing in the national capital. Stakes are high for all the stakeholders, for the ruling dispensation, Aam Aadmi Party, the BJP, which is, of course, they have the half subject in the national capital, virtually a government being in a center, the Congress, which have been out of power. So that's a quite struggle. So that's why you see the jive. What I believe, Arvind Kejriwal, since yesterday, in fact, made a social media post that Rahul Gandhi kept abused me. He used several offensive languages, and I'm not going to respond to him. But Aam Aadmi Party leadership will certainly later in the day, there will be several press conferences and the questions on the Rahul Gandhi will be asked. But yes, quite clear, we see raising questions on the India Bloc Alliance, since a lot of regional parties have come out in support of the Aam Aadmi Party. Yesterday, Omar Abdullah praising Prime Minister Modi. So that also raising a question on the survival of India Alliance Bloc, whether that exists anymore after the Delhi elections, or it is just a temporary phenomena, what we are seeing developing in the national capital, particularly known as Assembly election.
Thank you, Ashutosh, giving us details and also giving out news that we will see Aam Aadmi Party going ahead today and also rebutting what Rahul Gandhi has said.